I'm a photographer and I love images. The images allow me to remember and sometimes to stop. We are working with memories and thread. So we are stitching memories, colorful stitches over postcards or your personal images that you can choose, from your family album to your zine when you were a kid, to your pop idol, from your garden. You take it here and we make sure that your link with the image would be then created through beautiful stitches.
The texture, the colour, the fact that I've never actually done anything like this before. The feeling of it is very tactile.
Today I had the opportunity to run one of the most beautiful workshops I have ever run. It's born from a project I started a long time ago, 10 years ago, called A Polaroid for a Refugee, which is based on the exodus from Syria, Afghanistan and other countries towards Europe.
Oh, highly recommend it. I mean, it's so nice to have access to people's expertise and experience and talent, and to be able to just, being able to explore that and witness that from other people is really inspiring.